Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to create a pivot table. So we have these example tables, and if you want to create pivot tables, you can sort your tables and go to insert, click on pivot table. So will be automatically select for the table ranks in the selection, click OK to apply. So we have these blank pivot tables, and to insert, like I will move that into rows. So we show rows in it for that. And then for items, I will set into columns. So the items in columns, and the next for value, you can set into value. So that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to create a pivot table. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.